Okay, so here we have some Angel Delight Butterscotch flavour. This is a powder, and you mix it with milk, and then you whisk it or blend it until it goes thick and creamy, and then you leave it for 5 minutes to set before you eat it. I'm gonna put bananas, sliced banana, and the crumbled twirl with it. Okay, so I was gonna whisk it with a fork, but then I thought, you know what, this will be better. Okay, that smells really nice, that does. Starting to get a little bit thicker. Okay, in the fridge for 5 minutes, and then this will thicken up. Okay, I have my banana here. I'm just going to cut this into discs. Okay, there's our banana. Now I have my twirl, which is Caramilk. So it's basically flaky chocolate that just crumbles to pieces once you get through it. Oh, there we go. I'm just going to crush this up and then sprinkle it over the thing. Okay, here we go. This will be set now. Let's see. Okay, now I'm going to place our banana around the outside of the dish. Okay, and then I'm going to try and put this on neatly, but using the camera and doing this one-handed, I don't know how neat I'm going to get it. There we go. Oops, a daisy. Right, let's move that piece out the way for presentation purposes. Okay. Okay, there we go. There we go. How about that?